Need to set your cloud-managed switch? We'll show you how. First, prepare as follows. Download ProFi App on your phone, use the Apple Store or Google Play. There needs to be a wired internet nearby. Guarantee can surf the internet. Also, you might use a screwdriver. Now, connect the switch to the power supply. SIS light blinking, the switch works properly. Then, connect the switch to the wired internet. Link/act blinking green, data is being transmitted over the port. Launch the pre-prepared ProFi app on your mobile device. First, click Create Project to create a project. You can create the following project information. 1. Edit a project name. 2. Choose a project type. Traditional WLAN or cable-free WLAN. 3. Select a project scenario. Office, house, hotel, factory, etc. Or customize project scenario. 4. Search your area, locate the project location. This completes a project creation. Please click Save. Now, let's start adding the switch device. Add mode, add device over Wi-Fi, remote scan. Select remote scan. Scan the switch QR code. Click Add. You'll see a message, added successfully. You can make switch configuration and management in the mobile phone. G2226F as examples, rack mounting. Take screws and 2 L-shaped brackets out of the package. Fix the L-shaped brackets to both sides of the switch with included screws. Place the switch on the network rack. Secure the screws into the expansion bolts with a screwdriver. The product supports wall mounting and desktop mounting. Finally, shows the mounting methods supported for each model. Thank you for your support.